Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the lesson Lost Spring from the textbook Flamingo, and the author is Jung. In this lesson, I am going to start, let us say. There are many sentences written on the blackboard. The first one is, there was a spring near the mountain. Another sentence is, the spring smiled in his life. Another, hatred often springs fear. Saheb and Mukesh lost the spring of their life. In different situations, spring has been used in different sentences above, but the meaning is quite different. One meaning is, the first meaning, there was a spring near the mountain, means jharna. The spring smiled in his life means there is a joyful happiness in the life of somebody else. And hatter often springs here means to start, to produce. And another word sentence is, Saheb and Mukesh lost the spring of their life. Here the meaning of spring means the golden period, the formative period of life. And there are two important characters. One is Saheb and another is Mukesh. Saheb is a Ragpicker. He is settled, his family members are settled near Delhi, which is known as the Simapuri area. They have been migrated to Dhaka, from Dhaka to India in the year 1971. And Saheb, in spite of going to school, he is going to attend the garbage and rubbish to find something by being optimistic every day. He goes to search for coins and other valuable things in the rubbish and garbages. Sometimes he finds and becomes very happy. So it becomes a matter of wonder for him. But sometimes he gets a very good thing that in the form of coin, and it becomes a matter of survival for the family members. So in this way, Saheb has become an instrumental in running the existence of the family by being a refugee. After some time, Saheb thinks that he should change his area of avenues, and he has joined a tea stall where he is also not satisfied because he has lost his freedom and not satisfied there because he feels that the development will not be in a proper dimension here. So again, by being compelled by the situation, he walks there, but he fights for the social injustice, inequality, and all. And another character in this lesson is Mukesh. He is a member from a Bengal family. His wish is to become a motor mechanic. He does not want to spend his days and years along with the members of his family who have already spoiled their life in the production of Bengal making. Because in the Bengal making, there are many health hazards. Pollution is there, many kinds of diseases are being produced, diseases related to lungs and respiratory systems is there. Sometimes the family members become blind also. So in this way, Mukesh does not want to cooperate with the family members in production of the Bengal making. So he wants to change the area of his job and he wants to become a motor mechanic. So there are two important characters. One is Mukesh and another is Saheb in different way, in different section. But now let us come down. What is the thematic approach of the lesson Lost Spring? Here the poet has highlighted author has highlighted the idea of social injustice, inequality and exploitation, and the utter grinding poverty in the life of the children like Mukesh and Saheb. The title is Lost Spring, which is very much suitable and appropriate because both the children, Saheb and Mukesh, have lost the spring of their life in the childhood. In spite of going to school, in spite of enjoying the childhood and making their fortunes and shape of personality, they have spoiled their life as by being a ragpicker and another is by being a motor mechanic. In this way, Saheb and Mukesh both have spoiled their fortunes in the very early age of childhood. Hence, the title chosen by any Jung is apt, justified. Tomorrow, I will discuss another extract from the lesson Lost Spring. Thanks.